So we're almost ready for our test bake. Now tomorrow morning, or tonight, whichever the case may be, I'm actually going to do a test bake in my micro bakery and see what we've got so far. Okay, I've got to replace the worktops, which are coming in a few days time. That's going to be replaced, but that's fine. It looks, those buckets are all for ingredients. Up there is more ingredients. We've managed, that's actually in, and that's being cleaned next week by professionals inside. Everything's up and looking good. Look. Yes, we're on the small bags of flour now. If you want some, they're for sale, but next door in my shop. I've even managed to put some doors on which I had lying around from Wren's Kitchens. They're defective, but who cares? Down there, lots of empty spaces. I love these. This is from, where are they from? IKEA. Look, they're dustbins really, but look, oh, I do like that. Very easy, just pull them out, get your ingredients, whack it. Oh, I do like that, that's nice. There's my spiral mixer we're going to be using, and there's my mini spiral mixer. Look at that, covered in dirt, flour. Bakers, whatever next. But then we'll try that one out tonight. I haven't got a clue what it's like. This is the trays from the bakery. I'm not sure what we're doing. More trays. And that's our little ovens here. Now inside the ovens, I've actually put a metal tray inside. Now, dare to say, most people will turn around and say, what on earth are you doing there? But I don't want to make it dirty, so I'll put a metal tray in the bottom. I know this is a stone underneath, but I'm not going to be baking off a stone. I'm going to bake it off some steel for now. And that's in all of the ovens all together. Now, my only concern, and I do not know who invented this thing, that, let's be fair, the Muppets who invented that must be on another planet or another world, because I'll show you exactly. Once you put it down, there we go. I'll put it down for you, and look. Oh, and the waters are coming out. See that? I'll do it watch. I could do this in slow motion for you, but I don't need to. That water comes out. Why? No flat bottom. I do not get that at all. Any ideas? And to be honest, that is very difficult to fill up. There's a water running. You know, I'm not being funny. Let's be fair. Who on earth invents something like that? You spend £7,500 on that, and they give you this. Really? I could have done better with something off the internet, eBay or Amazon, and probably it's worth buying some. That is absolute a joke. I understand that it's got to go in that little hole, but let's be fair, you could have put a bigger hole on it. Come on you guys at Chanley's. You make ovens, but God, you must be brain dead to invent something like that. And there we go. It's very simple. So we'll now know what those ovens are going to be like, and I'm very, very much looking forward to it. But needless to say, I have got a little trick. So if you got one of these, get yourself a cup and plonk it into a cup. More space lost in a kitchen. And if you're liking this type of content, please subscribe and please share, and we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker Kitchen. Crazy Baker Bakery. Crazy Baker channel. I'm not sure anymore. I've lost the plot. It's been one of those weeks. I've worked really hard moving old machinery from the bakery onto trucks, and believe me, my head is starting to spin. And it's only Tuesday, or is it Monday? Tuesday. Oh, it is Tuesday. Mrs. Crazy Baker said it's Tuesday. Laters!